They say the loudest battles are not fought on battlefields, but inside our own heads. And the cruelest enemy is not failure, but self-doubt. There was a boy named Arham. From the outside, he looked ordinary, quiet, always sitting at the back of the class. But inside, he carried a storm. He wanted to speak, to shine, to prove himself. Yet every time he tried, a voice whispered in his ear, "You're not good enough." When his classmates raised their hands, Arham lowered his eyes. When opportunities knocked, he stepped back, convincing himself someone else deserved it more. He dreamed of doing something big, but when he stood in front of a mirror, all he could see was a boy too small for his own dreams. One day, his school announced a public speaking competition. The topic was simple: what makes a person strong? His teacher encouraged him. "Arham, I think you should try." He laughed nervously, shaking his head. "Me, I'll make a fool of myself. People will laugh." That night, he couldn't sleep. He kept staring at the ceiling, hearing the same voice that had haunted him for years. "You can't." But then, something happened. His grandfather, who often sat quietly in the corner of their house, called him over. The old man placed a small, dusty box in his hands. Inside, Arham found a broken compass. "This compass belonged to me when I was your age," his grandfather said. Arham frowned, confused. "But it's broken. The needle doesn't move." His grandfather smiled. "Yes, but when I first held it, I thought it would guide me. I relied on it so much that when it broke, I was terrified. I thought I'd be lost forever. But do you know what I discovered? The compass was never truly guiding me. The courage to move forward was always inside me. I just needed to trust myself." The words struck Arham like lightning. He realized he had been waiting for someone or something to tell him he was good enough. But maybe, all this time, the real compass had been inside him, his own belief. The next morning, he signed up for the competition. His hands trembled, his heart raced, but for the first time, he didn't run away. On stage, as he looked at the crowd, the voice of doubt screamed louder than ever. But then, he remembered his grandfather's words. He took a deep breath and began. His voice cracked in the beginning, but as he spoke, something changed. Every word carried a piece of his struggle, every sentence a part of his truth. He told the audience, "A person becomes strong the moment they stop doubting themselves." When he finished, there was silence, and then applause. Loud, endless applause. He didn't win the trophy that day, but he walked off the stage with something far greater: confidence. For the first time, he had faced his enemy, his own doubt, and defeated it. Lesson: your greatest battles are fought in silence, against the voice that says, "You can't." But remember this: confidence is not about being the best in the room. It's about standing up, even when your legs shake. Stop waiting for permission. Stop doubting yourself, because the compass you've been searching for has always been inside you.